Going over our trading system signals for Friday, March the 12th, the most notable market metric is the VIX, getting crushed here, 20.8, coming into that 20 level. It's been above 20 for a long time since the pandemic started. It traded slightly below it here on February the 10th and then again on February the 12th. Spiked as high as 31 based on higher interest rates. We saw that here. Look at the, this is a chart of the 30-year T-bond, and 30-year, if you know bonds, bond prices are inversely related to interest rates. So as bonds go lower, interest rates go up. And this was a spike lower. This is the 30-year. The market mainly focuses on the 10-year. The symbol is at TY, but I'm just looking at the 30-year right now. They're very correlated in price patterns. So 30-year spiked lower, moved up higher. They look for reversal, made a lower here, moved higher, and now Friday, March the 12th, it's making lower lows, which indicates higher interest rates. The 10-year is above 1.6%. Market has been fearful of higher interest rates for a long time, and now the market, the bullish narrative, is to discount higher interest rates because the economic boom will supposedly outweigh any inflation pressures. And so I don't know about that. I'm skeptical. Hard to believe that pent-up demand that would have been spent along with stimulus is real economic growth. So we shall see. That is the market analysis as we go into Friday. Go to the trading system signals now. Really slow day. When the day is slow, you might want to look for an afternoon rally, and that's what we're getting here. Market sold off, looked like it might sell, but it just kind of slowed down, and now when the market slows down, you get this rally. VIX is lower, as we talked about. So not many three trading system signals in this workspace. 60-minute breakout, stopped out, got long again, right around break even on the day. Adaptive moving average minus 762.50 on the day. Took this short trade. The market is reversing and just floating higher slowly. And 60-minute breakout short minus 625. Hard to short this market. Today, E-mini NASDAQ, not many system signals here. Couple of strategy signals here. Actually, just one. Gap continuation. Two trades here. Minus 650. We've talked about how we're not trading this because the stop loss is too tight. We did trade the big stop loss version, and it also lost. I'll go over that here in a minute. Right here, gap continuation. 2019 big stop loss minus 725 down on the day. VSD long minus 755 on the day. Viper. Three trades here, 22.30, and this strategy continues to perform well in this market environment. I want to go over this trading system signal. It pulled back here, said it might be a good time to get in, rallied here. This is not part of our portfolios though. Looking to phase it in. This is with slippage and commission and a new volatility filter that I've just added, so I'm going to send that to you if you had the all strategy access. But Viper is just on a streak. Let's look at what it's done this year. Really want to highlight what it's done this year. So if you look at this, 17,155, 96 trades. That means 100. If there was 100 trades, that'd be $171 average trade profit. 487 trades last year, 24,000. So really good environment for that strategy. So Viper traded well today, really in sync with the market. Gap continuation reverse, one of our newer strategies, really has really done well this year. Plus 725. This is in the 50K portfolio. So good trade right here to close out the weekend. We have 17 minutes to go. So unless this market rolls over, which anything can happen, a good trade on the day. 60-minute breakout, minus 1425 here. The micros got in on this again and are capturing this move. So I try to sync up the micros and the minis, but sometimes the trade signals are different. So crude oil, slow day in crude oil, not a lot. Aggressive Cobra crude, minus 475. Euro, plus 250. Gold, one trade, Asia Gold 4 short, plus 975. Silver, no trades on the day. Natural gas closed out that SR counter trend 3 short trade. This market has a small daily dollar range, and so these profit targets and stop losses take a little bit longer to hit. And we see that here in SR counter trend 3. Natural gas, RBOB, no trade. Soybeans, one trade. Soybean swing, minus 425. It's just that mean reversion trade. Sells off, comes right back and goes up. Exhaust in reverse is giving us trouble because the market, the VIX is acting like a slow, grinding bull market, but the indexes are not. They're pulling back more than they're rallying right now. So it's a little bit different than the VIX is trading a little differently than it normally does. And so it's a little bit confusing to the exhaust and reverse strategy right now. But if VIX breaks below 20 and this market continues higher, a lot of the bulls have a target of 4,300. And so we often talk about how the market should go up or how it should go down, or is it going to go up or is it going to go down? I don't know. No one can predict the future, but we're ready to trade either side of it. And there's plenty of money on the sidelines that just wants to buy this market, whether it makes sense or not, whether interest rates go up or not. They just want to buy this market. There's lots of different reasons we've talked about. And so this could go either way. And so exhaust and reverse could roll into a good trading mode. Lately, it's been down. Let's look at this. Look at this performance. It is down 68.50 on the year. Came in to January right here, pulled back, made a new equity peak, and then has done this right now because of a confusing VIX that acts like it's in a bull market, and then the indexes don't follow through with the rallies the way the VIX normally does. So silver is down as well this week, but no trades today. No trades today on silver. VSD, long and short, is one we're also looking to phase into the portfolios and portfolio setups. You see today it's plus 1,100 on the day. Sloppy day. No real, it's just mainly choppy. I said yesterday that I anticipate choppy prices, and besides this sell-off in the night, the intraday, the NASDAQ and indexes of overall, all the markets have just been choppy and sideways. So those are the trades on the day for Friday, March the 12th, 2021, middle of the month, Friday, slow, choppy day.